Hey Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another unboxing. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans, yeah. Today I am unboxing this. It's from what's that website called? Temu. I'm just gonna keep this video going. It's from Temu. Let's rip this puppy open. There's no links I gotta share from here. It's from Temu. These are keys. Trying to be careful because my address is on the other side. One side that is showing towards the camera. Temu. Where's your key at? There we go. Key. Oh, wait a minute. I found something the other day. Where you at? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Found it the other day and lost it today, I guess. There. Nope, can't find it now, but oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah. From Temu. Here we go. If you guessed diecast, then you are correct. Packaged very nicely. Thank you very much. There we go. Here's Hot Pursuit 1982 Ford Mustang SSP, Arizona Department of Public Safety. That's a very nice car, Jelly Beans. Very nice. I like that a lot. Very nice. Very nice, I like that. Series 39. Very nice car, Jelly Beans. I like it. And here we go. 1984 Chevrolet M1009 Alaska State Fire Marshal. That is pretty sick. I like that. It's, I guess it's like a K5 Blazer. That's pretty sweet. I like it very much. I think I want to get the rest of the series. There's I have the Alaska State Marshal truck. That's this. I want to get the 1972 Ford F-250. It's Lineville, Pennsylvania Fire Company. East Brunswick, New Jersey, Old Bridge Volunteer Fire Department, 76 Grand Fury, Plymouth. New York City, New York Fire Department, Grand Fury. Chicago, Illinois Department Aviation Division, Ford F-150, that's 2016. Mastic Beach, New York Volunteer Fire Department, 21 Tahoe. I wanted to get the rest of this series. That's pretty sick. I like that. And they're both Greenlights. They're very nice. I like them a lot. Thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day. Peace!